Let me be honest with you. The habits that actually change your life are not exciting. They're boring. They won't go viral. And that's exactly why most people ignore them. But if you stay till the end, one of these habits might quietly change your entire future. This habit looks painfully boring. Same wake-up time, every single day. But your brain loves predictability. It creates discipline without motivation. Most successful people don't wake up early. They wake up consistently. Checking your phone first thing in the morning is like letting the world control your mood. This boring habit protects your focus before it gets stolen. Silence in the morning builds clarity for the entire day. Yes, this sounds stupid, but it trains your brain to finish small tasks. And people who finish small things eventually finish big things. One page, not a book, not a journal masterpiece. This habit clears mental noise you didn't even know existed. A calm mind makes better decisions, every time. No gym, no music, no motivation speech. Just movement. Walking daily improves thinking, mood, and creativity more than scrolling ever will. Decision fatigue is real. The more choices you make, the worse your decisions get. Boring routines save mental energy for important life decisions. This habit doesn't feel productive, but it controls everything. Your focus, emotions, discipline, and even confidence depend on sleep. Sleep is not laziness, it's strategy. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Motivation is loud, discipline is quiet. These boring habits don't change your life overnight. They change who you become. And once your identity changes, your results follow automatically. But here's the twist. You don't need all 10 habits. You only need one, done every day, even when it feels pointless. Because the people who win in life aren't the most talented. They're the ones who stayed consistent when it was boring. Start boring. Stay consistent. Change everything.